ka North Eastern Service jangka Akashvani ka Jingtip Paidbah kum ka All India Radio hak arpulai tarik naitung kala Rakhe ya ka Jingdap khandai pu Snem hak ka Jingyat Yenti jangka bansa me ka Jingtip Shaki Paidbah la Rakhe ya ka sngi Jingdap khandai pu Snem ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong harangkat ki Jingtam Jingput ki balawan ban shimbanta de kinong ruai bat kinong tem na kaleng ka than chate lam mingi hagani ka sngi la sakhilang da ka jingedon rangkat ka Director General of Akashvani ka Pragya Paliwal Gaur, Commissioner and Secretary Governor of Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari, ki officer bat kinong tre ka Akashvani bat Dudarshan Kendra Meghalaya bat kiwe.
Hold on me.
Broadcasting. It was today, on this day in 1927, that the radio waves started flowing in India. And Akashvani has evolved into a powerful public tool. The institution, Akashvani, which is the voice of the nation. Next year on June, we'll be completing 90 years as Akashvani. It would be a momentous year, and we have already started the celebrations, and today's celebrations is the beginning of these celebrations in the Northeast. As we approach these historic milestones, Akashvani stands renewed, relevant and ready for the future, as I can see from the youngsters present here. For you all, for the new generation, we have evolved. We have taken several steps to bring Akashvani closer to the younger generation and to the new generation, the Gen Z that is called. We have, as spoken earlier, Mr. Tiwari said, we have a News on AIR app on which you can listen to anything, news, music, anywhere, anytime. Recently, we launched an OTT platform, Waves. I request you, all of you, to download that and watch all the radio channels. All the radio channels are there on this OTT platform. You can listen to it anywhere on the go. There are several good content. The Akashvani archives is also available on this OTT channel. And over the past years, Akashvani News, which has, for decades, it has stood as a pillar of truth in the ever-evolving media landscape. In this age where instant information and fleeting headlines take space, Akashvani remains a beacon of credibility and composure. For millions across the country, Akashvani is not just a source of news, it is the voice they trust. And our commitment to the verified, balanced and unbiased reporting is not just a journalistic standard, it is a national responsibility that we carry with pride and purpose. As a performing art, music is a powerful yet warm tool in reinforcing the enduring spirit of unity in diversity. And the entire Northeast is a musical microcosm in itself, a slice of which we are about to witness in this event. I know you all are looking forward to it.
Every day today. What happened 90 years ago was a revolution. It was a revolution because radio wave is no simple wave. It is nothing an ordinary phenomenon. Mahatma Gandhi, in his maiden speech in Akashvani, had said about radio waves, I see Shakti in it, the power of God. So when the respected father of the nation says that radio waves means hold the power of the God, and when the rays start broadcasting 90 years ago in the country, isn't that beginning of a revolution? In these 90 years, radio has gone through a long journey. It has entertained people. It has informed people. It has educated people. But more than that, my dear friends, radio and in particular Akashvani has empowered people. It has taken the voices of very, very important people. The voice of Honorable Prime Minister is there on our airways. Proud moment for us every month. And it is there in different dialects and languages. That's another great thing for the nation, particularly for the Northeast. And on the same hand, on the same side, what makes Akashvani different from many other channels? That it carries the voice of the common people with equal respect. I hear the voice of one street vendor, one lady, one gong who is selling the fish in the market. Her voice goes on radio. That makes her feel that she is important. And that's the basic fabric of a democracy. I congratulate all of you for doing all these things. I thank our Director General and the officers of Directorate. Out in the street, there is noise in the mind. In such scenario, it is Akashvani which gives voice, which gives soothing music, which gives you happiness, which gives you smile. So keep on doing that. We are proud of you. My dear technicians, my dear casual assignees, my dear helpers, my dear clerks, each one of you is important. Please do your best in building the nation.
The
ค่ะที่นี่ใจมือก่อนถึงพบเมื่อ